Hello, good morning, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today video, I am going to help you with 5 sentences that we use every day or in a daily life. Alright, let's begin with the first sentence. But if you are new to this YouTube channel, please we are encourage you to subscribe and press the bell like button to get update about our new videos. Alright, so we have the first sentence. Good morning. This is the first sentence, and I think when we wake up in the morning, every single person use this sentence. Good morning. Alright, so sentence number 2. How are you? This is very common. We use this sentence when we asking about someone feeling out his health or how he is feeling. So we use the sentence, how are you? This is very common sentence in English. Sentence number 3 is basically the answer of the sentence number 2. Okay, so the sentence is I am fine. When you are good or have a good health, you can say I am fine, and this is basically the answer of the sentence number 2. I am fine. Alright, so sentence number 4. How are you doing? We use this, what are you doing right now? This is the sentence number 4. You can say I am wake up from the dream or if I'm sleeping or whatever you're doing, you can reply to this sentence. Okay, we have the last sentence number 5, which is see you later. This is when you are leaving someone, you can say see you later. It means that I will meet you again. Alright, thank you so much. I will be come with a new video. Thanks for watching.